Florida is going wild again. But this time for different reasons. A Florida man who was jobless last year is now literally printing money daily, and the crazy part? He's doing it straight from his phone. Think about it. The same phone you use to scroll Instagram could actually become your financial savior. That's what happened to him. He tapped into a new kind of online hustle, and suddenly his stress of being unemployed was replaced by $20, $200, sometimes even $500 rolling in daily. And no, it's not stocks, not crypto, not freelancing. It's something way simpler. All he did was invest $17, which eventually changed his life forever. The guy didn't need skills, didn't need a laptop, didn't even need to show his face online. Just tapped his phone, and this AI system started creating multiple income streams on autopilot. Commissions, affiliate payouts, ad revenue every single day. He literally did it in 3 steps. Step 1, tapped once to activate it. Step 2, shared a couple of links online. Step 3, watched his phone collect passive income without him lifting a finger. So yeah, sounds unbelievable, but real people are already cashing in. If you've ever been unemployed, a student, or just tired of the daily grind, this could be your shot. $17, no monthly fees, 180 days to test it. If it doesn't work, you lose nothing because you have a money-back guarantee. But if it does, your phone might just become your ATM machine. Check the link in the pinned comment before the price shoots up.